Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for the zodiac sign of Sagittarius. So if you are a sun, moon, rising, or if your Saturn is sitting in the sign of Sagittarius, this is the reading for you. The first card that I have for you guys is the Hangman. A lesson needs to be learned. You need to have patience. You've been rushing towards something, or you have been stuck in a situation and you want to see the outcome of that situation pretty quickly, but it's not happening because, guys, the universe wants you to have patience. The universe wants you to learn. And at the same time, what the universe also wants you to do is the universe wants you to take a step back and look at the same situation but from a different lens, from a different perspective. Maybe turn yourself upside down like Hangman and then look at the situation, because there is some kind of learning that needs to happen, which is why the Hangman card has come up. The next card I have for you is the Seven of Wands. So Seven of Wands here tells me that there is some kind of opposition that is happening. Either this is happening mentally or it is happening with people in front of you. But for many of you, I do see, like, because the Hangman card represents the sign Pisces, and Pisces being a water sign, a lot of things are happening emotionally. So there is some kind of uh, conflict, or there is some kind of confusion that is happening for you on the emotional side in regards to your career. So not in terms of anything else, but in regards to your career. Maybe there is some kind of confusion as to which way to go or what to do. So that is also very prominent. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Justice card. So Justice card tells me if you have put in the effort, things are going to work in your favor. Now, the Justice card also has the scale behind it. So what this scale is telling me, or what you should see, or what you should understand when you see the scale, is that whatever the situation is, the outcome will be a very balanced outcome. So you have to stop worrying, because the outcome has already been decided, and it's going to be something that will have a win-win situation. So you'll have to compromise a little bit, but at the same time you'll get something in return, but some kind of compromise needs to happen. Let's see what other messages we have for you. The next card that I have for you guys is the Ace of Wands. So definitely you guys are going to be initiating something new, something different, something you've never done before, something that is going to, you know, make you a little crazy, because you would be so excited about it. You're going to be so enthusiastic about it, especially in regards to your career. Many of you might be starting a new role if you haven't already, but there is definitely something that's going to happen at work that's going to give you this little spark of joy in your head. The next card that I have for you guys is the Magician card. So Magician card is telling me that you are the magic. You can make everything happen. All you have to do is have faith in your own abilities. As long as you have faith and you change your perspective of looking at the situation, it's all right to ask somebody for help if you are struggling. But what the universe is trying to tell you is, with the Ace of Wands and the Magician card combined, is that if you wish for it, you can have it. All you have to do is focus on keeping your vibrations higher, focus on keeping your thoughts positive, and everything will work out for you. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Four of Wands. So Four of Wands is a card of stability again. Some kind of stability is going to happen. Totally unrelated, but with the Justice card, which depicts something legal, and the Four of Wands, which depicts 1111. If you guys are planning to manifest something, I think you have to use the 1111 technique to do it, because it's an amazing technique. Other than that, some of you might also be, whether it's directly or indirectly, something in your personal life is going to take the next step. So make sure you are ready for it, because you'll have to make a little bit of compromise, but definitely there is an improvement happening in your personal life as well. uh, all right, let's see what other messages I have for my lovely Sagittarians here. The next card that I have for you is the Five of Swords. So you are going to feel like you have been cheated, or you will have your heart broken because of something, and you'll be left with two choices. So this is a choice that now you have to make. Remember when I told you, you have to look at the situation from a different point of view, but no matter what you do, you are going to get the result of the efforts you put in. And this card here is telling me like you, there might be some kind of confusion, or some kind of this feeling where you feel a little low. So I'm catching up on that energy. Like you'll feel like you have not been given a fair decision, like decision has not been fair. Like this is the feeling that you are going to get, but actually the decision would be pretty fair. The next card that I have for you guys is the Six of Wands. So no matter what happens, you are in for growth. I am also seeing relocation for this one, because that's a lot of wands energy. And with the Magician card, if you guys have been manifesting it, it is definitely going to happen. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Five of Wands. My only advice is, when it comes to work, try not to get into any conflicts, because there are chances that you might come across as a little rude and people might envy you for it. So I understand you guys are amazing. You bring those long-term plans with you. You have that little eccentric personality. All Sagittarians do. But yeah, just make sure you don't rub it in others' faces. From Moonology deck, the cards that I have for you are, the first card is the end of a tough cycle approaches. So full moon in Capricorn. Capricorn is all about career. It is the card of career. It activates your 10th house in your natal chart. So when your 10th house and 10th house is activated, your Saturn is activated. So things are going to happen slowly. They are going to give you misery, which is why we have this card, we have this card, and we have the Hangman card, because things are going to be delayed because of the Capricorn energy. Capricorn being ruled by Saturn delays, but at the same time it's telling you that because it has already delayed things so much, a cycle is coming to an end very, very quickly. The next card that I have for you guys is new moon in Pisces. So your 12th house is being activated. Mediate and contemplate. So 12th house is again the house of being in isolation. So for some people, this isolation could be that you are living alone. For the others, this isolation could be that you might have to travel to a different place. So take it how it resonates with you. Do let me know what you feel about this reading, and I'll see you guys next time.